Today's lesson is all about Snapchat. The best filter will get an A. Class is starting. Hey, pay attention! The teacher is right here, not online. What's going on? I understand. My students are hypnotized by social media. I need to rescue these internet holics before it's too late. I'll get their attention with my cool new folder. Trace a template of the Facebook logo on foam core. Cut it out with a utility knife. Cover it with acrylic primer. Mark it up like a ruler using a marker. Write the numbers. Attach small magnets to the back. Glue matching magnets on a blue folder. And attach the logo ruler to the folder. Hey! Who wants to write some notes in my Facebook folder? Wow! What a cool topic for a class! Quick! Give this ruler to this Facebook fan. She'll draw a straight Facebook line. I'm giving this ruler a light. I want some trendy school supplies too. Where's my Instacup for my pens and pencils? Trace a paint cup on a square sheet of thick cardboard. Round the edges. Cut it out. Color the cardboard with acrylic paint. Make a gradient like on the Instagram logo. Blot the transitions with a sponge. Glue the cup to the back. Draw the details of the logo on white cardboard, the outlines, and the frame. Cut it out and glue it onto the colorful icon. Put the cup at an angle or straight up. Place school supplies inside. My favorite school supply app! I can upload all my pens and markers into it. It's so useful and trendy. Ben is so jealous. He doesn't have a single app for his school supplies. Don't be sad, buddy. I'll send you my YouTube marker. Glue a printed YouTube label onto a red marker. Cut the YouTube play button out of an eraser. Hot glue the eraser onto the back of the marker. Put another cap from an old marker onto the plug. Whoa! This marker was made for liking videos and subscribing to channels. What's this new function? A YouTube eraser? I love this updated marker! We'll never be tired of taking funny pictures in Snapchat. My classmates have some crazy faces. Hilarious! But Miss Olivia doesn't like our new faces. We'll give her a Snapchat notebook to keep her from getting upset. Trace the Snapchat logo on a yellow notebook using a template. Put a board under the cover and cut out the figure. Trace the outline with a black marker. Glue a sheet of clear plastic to the inside. Cut two ghost shapes out of felt. Make an opening for the mouth. Glue in thin strips of colorful paper. Glue the two ghosts together. Draw eyes with a black marker. Put a picture into the notebook, like into a frame, and put the ghost bookmark in. It's like Snapchat, but it has a personalized filter just for Miss Olivia. What a gift! While Christy is offline, we can leave a message on her page. Ew, how rude! Who did this? Thank goodness my Twitter has the ability to delete the most recent message. Place a template shaped like the Twitter bird onto a blue eraser. Trace it and cut it out. Help me, Birdie! There you go! There's not a single bad tweet about me left. There's a battle going on in class. It's pretty insane. Paper bomb attack! Oops! Miss Olivia is on the battlefield. Quick, hide your weapons. Let's put all our paper clips on Facebook. Paint the inside of a paperclip box blue. Paint the lid. Draw the Facebook logo on white foam paper. Cut it out. Glue it to the side of the box. Cut a like icon out of blue foam paper. Make the same design out of white foam paper. Glue it onto the blue one. Draw a button with white acrylic paint. Attach a piece of foam rubber to the back. Use Superglue to attach the like button to the top of the box. Attach a paper clip to it. Put the rest of the paper clips into the box. Great idea, Ben! I'm giving this paperclip box a like. Now the teacher's desk is organized. Some people go to school to learn, and some people just come for the Instagram stories. It's a shame we don't get graded on our stories. We are tired of all these camera noises. Put your phone down, Instamaniac. Here's an Insta tablet. Get back to work. Take apart a picture frame. Tone two sides with white acrylic paint. Glue on a printout of Instagram's tabs onto the other sides. Put a sheet of paper of a different color to be the backing. Cover it with glass and put the frame back together. Cut a heart out of an old blackboard eraser. Cover it with felt. Glue a magnet onto the frame. Attach the heart eraser onto the magnet. Write on the glass with a marker and erase it with the heart. My Insta tablet is perfect for writing down my assignments. Even Miss Olivia approves. Please give me likes instead of grades. Miss Olivia also enjoys pranking her students. While Ben is lost in the world of YouTube, she uploads her YouTube glue to his page. Heat up the label on a bottle of clear glue using a blow dryer. It'll come off easily. Attach a printed YouTube logo with the logo facing inwards. Pour red glitter into the glue. Shake it to make sure the glitter is evenly distributed. Now let's open up our notes. Oops! All of Ben's pages are stuck together. Oh, it's YouTube glue. Very funny. I'm giving this prank a thumbs down. This art class is getting chaotic, but Ben is perfectly organized. His set of Twitter pencils and sticky notes is minimalist and stylish. Mark parallel lines on a sheet of blue foam paper. Cut them with a utility knife. Insert blue pencils into the cuts. Trim the excess foam paper to shape it like a square. Round the corners. Draw the Twitter logo bird on sheets of white paper. Cut out a stack of sheets. Glue their tops together to make a block of sticky notes. Hot glue the sticky notes to the foam paper. I'll send tweets to all my neighbors. They can color them in however they want, or write down their most interesting thoughts. I'm about to die of boredom in class. Ooh, here's an idea. Let's have a fun photo shoot instead. Who ordered new Snapchat filters? Here they are in real life. Attach a pen spring onto the back of a pen. Glue a decorative clothespin onto the spring. And attach a printed out selfie mask. Ben looks great with the puppy filter, and I'm the best kitty ever. Let's have a Snapchat party. But Miss Olivia disagrees. You can't have animals in class. Did you like our social media school supplies? Then let us know in the comments about what app you'll bring to class with you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new school life hacks from Troom.